Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you a very interesting feature in Biz 365. So let's say you're a developer and you're not just managing one website but you're managing multiple websites. Where can you actually go and see all your websites and basically manage all of those from a single place rather than remembering all the usernames and passwords for all the websites that you've created. This comes in especially handy if you're a web developer and you're working with many clients and you've got all those clients sitting in one place. What you have to do is you go down and you go into your shops. As you can see that only one shop is appearing because we just have one shop which has been made. If I were to, let's say, create another shop from here, I'll be able to create another shop. Let's say I call it shop 31. I'm going to name this as myself, or I'm going to say shop 31 user, and I'm going to say shop 31 at inc-es.com and password. And shop name is shop 31, and I'm going to leave it as free trial. And let's say if that shop's logo is this. Once we've done that, we can directly create a new shop from within the system rather than going it from outside. And as you can see that this shop 31 has been created. In order to actually access this shop 21, I need not log out and log into shop 31. I can directly access it from here. And you come in directly here. And from here, you are in a different store altogether, as you can see. And let's say I want to work on this. I'll be able to work on this from here itself. Where let's say this new shop was Shoe Hut. The company name was Shoe Hut. Brand name was Shoe Hut. Company description was Lorem Ipsum. And I'm going to save this. So basically what I'm doing is from a central place, I can manage all my shops. When I go into my shops, I can see that I've got now two shops. One is Greenberry and one is Shoe Hut. I can go back into Greenberry just by clicking here, Access. And it's going to actually log into Greenberry, and now I'm accessing Greenberry from here. So that's how you manage multiple shops all in one place. Thank you.